Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So in the earlier session, we have already discussed about of the terraform destroy. So now we will learn how to prevent of your resources from terraform destroy. Right? That means prevent destroy from the terraform. Right? In any case, someone is trying to remove of your resources from your AWS Web Console, or you can say someone has executed the Terraform destroy command accidentally, right? So you know Terraform destroy will remove of your entire resources. So point is that how to protect these things, correct? So my dear friend, so this is my AWS Web Console, and currently I don't have any kind of instance and other resources which is managed by the Terraform. So first of all, I will provision some resources. Then I will show you. And when I'm going to provision any resource, so I will set a life cycle, right? So this is my Terraform machine. So let me do the login. Okay. So this is my working directory. So in this, I have the code. One is my first EC2, right? Template, and another is this is for a security group. So my dear friend, let me open a first EC2 template file. So here this is my user data, and I want to set the life cycle, correct? So how to set the life cycle? You can pass out the parameter or some content like this. So now go to the insert mode, and here life cycle, right? Open this, and now prevent destroy. Is equal to true, right? And then close this, correct? So I have assigned this life cycle with my EC2 instance. So someone is going to running the terraform destroy, right? So it will not remove this EC2 instance, right? Now let me check now terraform validate. Okay, because plugin is not available in this file, sorry, this directory. Okay, now copy this and run this, then it will download the plugin. Please wait. Because I am using the latest version of the terraform, so it's going to download the latest plugin from terraform, correct? Now you can execute the terraform validate command. Perfect. You can set the format using of the terraform fmt. Okay, now you have to run the terraform plan. Okay, because it's asking, because the provider is not available, and you have to share the reason. My AP South 1. So my terraform credentials are not going to available in this working directory. No problem, I have my credential inside the Teradata folder. Let me do the provider.tf. Yeah, cat provider.tf. Perfect. Yeah. So let me copy provider.tf file inside the root EC2 folder. Correct. cd EC2. Yes, provider.tf is available. Okay. Then you can execute the terraform plan. Perfect. That means it's going to plan 2 resources. Very good. Now let me do the apply, terraform apply. Now it will create, one is security group and another is EC2 instance. Yes. Yeah, it's a creating security group, right? Within it 2 seconds it will be live, and now it's creating the instance. So you can check out. Let me do the refresh. Yes, status is pending. That means it's creating the EC2 instance. Yes, so this is my instance and it's showing the status which is running. Let me check now the details, and let me paste the public IP. Yes, the server is running successfully, right? And now location in India. Name of the service server is Uniserver1. Stage is testing. Perfect. Now status check. It's initializing in the backend. Security, I have a security group. Perfect. Port number 80 and 22 both are allowed. Okay. Great. So here I want to execute terraform destroy. Right. Job is successfully executed. Now terraform destroy. See, it will delete or not. Terraform has no command named destroy. Sorry, typo error. And machine is also giving me a warning. This is the correct, right? Instance cannot be destroyed because you have defined the life cycle with instance, not with the security group, right? You can check out cat first, because you have defined the life cycle. That means someone is going to execute the terraform destroy, so it will not remove of this. But when I will show you cat security group, that means there is no life cycle, right? There is no life cycle. So that's why it's showing AWS security group Uniserver refreshing state, right? And it's associated with the instance. But in this case, this security group will not be deleted. Why? Because this security group is associated with my instance. So you can check with my AWS console. This security group is associated with my instance. So because now EC2 instance is depend on the security group, that's why you can't remove this. So this is the best way. In the production environment, always define the life cycle when you are provisioning of your resources using of the terraform, because actually someone is going to run the terraform destroy command, so your resources will not be deleted. right? So this is the idea behind of the prevent destroy from the terraform. Thank you so much.